Here's how to withdraw money from your Robinhood account. First, open the Robinhood app and tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your portfolio overview, where you can see your accounts and balances. Next, tap Transfer at the bottom of the screen. On the Transfers page, select Withdraw to open the withdrawal screen. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Your available balance will be displayed below the amount. Make sure you're withdrawing from the correct individual account and that your linked bank account is selected as the destination. Robinhood may give you different withdrawal speed options. The standard option is free and typically takes several business days to reach your bank account. The instant option can transfer money to an eligible debit card faster, but it may charge a fee. If you don't need the money immediately, the standard option can help you avoid an instant transfer fee. Choose your preferred withdrawal method, review the details, and tap Withdraw. Once you submit the request, Robinhood will process the withdrawal and send the money to your selected destination. That's all for this video. Thanks.